It depends what kind of house you are buying or you have built. So for instance, if you've got maybe a house that's a minimalistic house where you've got big long open spaces, you might want to have a similar garden where you could have hedges, open lawns, where the flow of your house would draw out into your garden. If you have a house, maybe a Tuscan style house, you could also do hedges, but you could also do conifers. You could plant maybe more of a Mediterranean garden where you would use creepers, for instance bougainvilleas. So if you move to a third option of a house, maybe you had something more like a farmhouse where you could do felt grasses, trees, thorn trees, indigenous ground covers. So it is important to match the theme with the house, or you're not going to get that flow throughout your property.